Hey, welcome back, Cloud Scholars. Hope you all having a good day and enjoying the Master Okta course. So what I want to do is talk to you today about a message that we received in the last video. It was a warning message. It says complete assignment. It says resource set includes resources that are not affected by the permission in the role. So what we did was we gave too much permissions out and it did not match the resource set. And that's the reason why. So what I would recommend you all do is take a break every now and then. I went ahead to make a video and I probably had made like 3 that day and I just was running a little tired and I wanted to just wrap up that video. So I wanted to make sure I came back and explained it in better ways of how to go about fixing this and then show you exactly what kind of message you will get. Okay, so over here what we're going to do is I'm going to go to security and I'm going to go down to administrators. Once I get into administrators, what I want to do is I want to go to my roles. So I'm going to go and click enter a new role. So this new role that I'm going to create is going to be a junior help desk role. And what this role I want to give access to is I don't want to give access to manage users, but I want to give them access to do certain things with groups. So if I click on manage groups, you will see I'm getting a message that says your admins also need edit user group membership permissions for the users they can add to a group. So what it's essentially saying is I need to come here into users and I need to make sure, see, you got the message, edit user group membership, and that message goes away. But I'm not going to give all this information. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to take this off. The message goes away and I'm going to say I want you to be able to create, edit, and manage groups. Nope, won't give me that. So I'll do view. Good. That's good right there. Plus, I want you to be able to view, create, and manage Okta support cases. But that is pretty much it. But what I will do is I'm going to say applications. Let's see. Do we get anything there? No, we do not. So what I'm going to do is leave it as applications there. Can I add one more? I guess we can if we wanted to. But let's see what we get from just these 3. And what I'm going to do is come back up here and I'm going to save the role. So junior help desk role has been saved. Now I'm going to go to resources and I'm going to create a new resource set. So this is going to be junior HD. And I'm going to say add resources. So remember, we gave the resources was for groups. And I'll say all groups. And then I'll add another one, which was for support cases. And I'll say yes. But I will do another one. And I will do, you know what? I'll leave it as those 2. That's fine. And I'll click create. Now, my resource set has 2, but my junior help desk, if I go into my edit role, it has also applications, but my resource set doesn't have that. So I'm going to come over here back to my junior help desk role and I am going to edit assignment and I'm going to come here. I need to say it's for the junior HD, but you see, I didn't even throw a person in. It says resource set includes resources that are not affected by the permissions in the role. So what I need to do is I need to go back to my role and I need to edit role within here. Continue. Is this giving me a message saying if anybody has an assignment, it's going to get affected? And I'm going to take out, which one was it? Was it applications? Manage users. Oh, I'm in the wrong one. Give me a second. I meant to go to junior help desk. So I'm going to edit role. There we go. Because we don't have any assignments yet, so it shouldn't have accessed that. And I'm going to take off manage applications. So now we only have group, create, edit, view. And then we have this one here as well. And we're going to come up here to save role. We're going to go back here. I'm going to go to edit assignment and I'm going to go to super junior HD. And you see right now when I go to junior HD, nothing populates. Let's say if I came here, let me take that out. Let me come back. And I'm going to go back here to junior HD, edit role or edit assignment. Let's see if I went and checked this super help desk. So now I'm getting a message on the super help desk. Before I was getting a message on the other one, but remember, I really want the junior help desk role, right? So I'm gonna come back here. I'm gonna go as a junior HD is fine, and I'm going to add Brian Doe to that, and I'll add assignment. I'll take that off. Oh, we don't need that. I'll just hit save changes. That's fine. And then we could come back to junior HD and view edit assignment, and we could see it there. But we didn't get the warning message that we were getting before. So, you know, sometimes when you're doing these custom roles, you can take some stuff off, add some more privileges to those resources to make sure you don't get those warnings. So basically it's just letting you know, hey, you're not really implementing these privileges, or this role isn't going to have the rights because it doesn't match the resource set. So just want to put that out there. Apologies for the last video. Try to make these as clean as possible, and then also show you the error messages. So sometimes I even need to take a break. So this is the end of this video. I definitely wanted to make sure that I put that information in there and explained it a little bit better than what I did from the previous video. So I want to thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't done so already, please hit that like and subscribe button. Here at Cloud Scholars, my goal is to get you from scholar to consultant, and of course, consultant to expert. Thank you, and see you next time.